From bathroom to bountiful harvest, how human urine could revolutionize farming. Imagine flushing away one of the most powerful tools in modern agriculture, literally. A groundbreaking discovery by scientists studying human urine has the potential to transform how we grow our food. It's a story that begins with something we all produce every day, and ends with a solution to one of farming's most pressing problems. P-Power fertilizer of the future? In the sun-scorched fields of Niger, researchers embarked on a bold experiment. Could human urine aged in sunlight become a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative to chemical fertilizers? The answer, astonishingly, was yes. By storing urine in the sun for several weeks, researchers were able to kill off harmful pathogens. What remained was a surprisingly potent liquid rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, the same essential nutrients found in commercial fertilizers. But that's not all. The treated urine also acted as a natural pesticide, repelling insects and reducing crop infestation by a staggering 20.5 times compared to untreated soil. Yields from these fields were 1.8 times higher than the control group. In a region like West Africa, where poor soil and the high cost of fertilizers can limit food production, this innovation could be a game changer. Why this matters globally. Conventional fertilizers and pesticides may increase crop production, but they come with a cost. These chemicals often leach into local water sources, contaminating rivers, lakes, and even drinking water. The environmental fallout includes damage to aquatic life and long-term health risks for nearby communities. By contrast, using human urine, a resource we literally flush away every day, could create a closed-loop agricultural system that's both sustainable and scalable. The odor is very, very strong, admitted researcher Lawali Amadou, who helped lead the project. But it's a small price to pay for results this promising. Not all golden. Of course, this isn't a magic solution, at least not yet. Some human urine samples have been found to contain trace chemicals or pharmaceuticals. In the US, concerns have already been raised about PFAS forever chemicals appearing in treated sewer sludge used on farms. That means future adoption will likely depend on rigorous filtration or pre-treatment systems to ensure safety. But as researchers continue to study how and why this method works, the path to safer implementation is becoming clearer. A wake-up call for sustainable farming. This discovery isn't just about pee, it's about possibility. As fertilizer prices soar and climate challenges grow, innovations like this challenge us to rethink what's waste and what's valuable. It also shines a light on the urgency of developing sustainable, low-cost farming techniques that can be adopted globally. So next time you head to the bathroom, remember, nature wastes nothing, and maybe neither should we. What you can do. Support brands that use organic or chemical-free farming practices. Try composting or making your own natural fertilizers at home. Stay informed about what goes into your food and your soil. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe.